guys, it's Brooklyn, back with another video. So today I straightened my hair and I actually look decent. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna take it down for you. That actually smells good. Back to the video. Let's get back to my normal hair. So today we will be doing a slime pet peeves video. I did not make it, but I got it off of YouTube. But I will tag the person and the link in the description. And so let's get on to the video.
All around me are familiar.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
You better stop! Stop!
Hey guys, this is my container of slime. I'm only gonna keep it in the container for now. I'm not gonna actually play with him like that. Wouldn't be satisfying at all. So I'm just gonna let you see it, and I'm just not gonna poke it at all. I'm just gonna keep it in here for about 20 minutes maybe.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hold on, do it. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God.
No! No!
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and bye. 2. Yeah. 3. Stay up. Look at my nails. Freckles. There. I'm gonna do that Lysol thing.